Hello everyone and welcome back to another Magical Moon video. It's a mad day here at the homestead. We've been doing lots with the horses. It is freezing, not quite as cold as some places around the world as we've been informed, but it is pretty cold for here. So we've been fighting the elements, but I'm on with doing this extractor hood for the bread oven. I've got my metal, I've got the welder rigged up, so I'm going to get on and buzz that up. The update on Tony is that hopefully he might even be released from hospital in the next couple of days. That means he can come here and he can just rest for a few days before they head back to the UK. On another note, we've got some very exciting news. Thanks to Melissa and Ryan, they've been beavering away in the background for the merchandise, the Magical Moon merchandise, which will be available on our website. We'll give you all the details as and when they arrive, and we're just in the process of organising them. There's going to be that beautiful print of Petra and a few other little trinkets in there, so lots to look forward to. I'm going to get on with this and yeah, hopefully we can get that bread oven cooking. So the first job is we have our 4 triangles and I'm just going to roughly tack them together, and that's going to give us the form, and then I've got to make the base plate. And some of you mentioned about the brickwork up on the bread oven, and it could do with repointing, but the bit we're going to go to, I'm going to take the top layer of bricks off and then it's all good from there down. So I'm just going to lift them up and this will make up the difference before we put our flue on. So let's get on with it. We're making really good progress. I've made my pyramid. Now it's a case of working out the foot plate and how I cut that round hole in the top to take my flue pipe. Really happy with it. It's going to be lovely. It's going to just sit on top of those old-fashioned bricks, and as I say, it's going to form a lovely seal around the edge because I've got a nice bit of broad plate which is going to make the seal around the edge. So very happy. Jenny's indoors looking after baby Oscar. Jenny did the morning shift on the yard because I was back at the hospital with Nanny, Bibi and Tony. We're going to go down now and the boys are going to finish the legends off.
So the horses are all done. They're all tucked up. As you can see, it's a little bit dark, so it's time to let them go to bed. But stay magical, lovely friends, and we'll see you very, very soon.